The following is a paid commercial. ABC9 does not recommend or endorse the use of any product or service mentioned.
The following is a paid promotional announcement for Ave Med Spa.
Hi, I'm Dr. Paula Hicks. I'm Medical Director at Ave Medical Laser Spa in Sioux City, Iowa. Helping you look and feel your best is not just the nature of our business, it's our personal objective when you walk through our front doors. Here at Ave, we want to provide a one-of-a-kind experience for you. We'd love to offer you a complimentary consultation that is individualized for your own personal needs for skin care and body types. Many people ask me, when is the right age to start some of these services to try to combat the signs of aging? Most people don't know that skin actually starts aging at the age of 24. It's much easier to prevent the signs of aging than to actually reverse them when they come. One of the best ways we have to start early to prevent aging is by regular skincare maintenance with medical grade products and facials. Our estheticians are very well trained in all the intricacies of skin care. During your facial, not only will it be very relaxing, but it can be very educational too. Our estheticians will look at your skin type, ascertain what type it is, and then recommend specific medical grade products that will help your skin look and feel its best. Beyond medical grade facials, we also have procedures that will remove the top layer of skin, such as silk peels, dermabrasions, and chemical peels. Many people ask, why do a chemical peel on the face? Well, what it does is takes off the top layer of dead skin and lets that dewy complexion show through. It unclogs the pores and gives the overall texture of the skin a nice boost and glow. Ave offers a facial club, which is a special facial each month and also extra discounts on products and services. Having facials is kind of like working out. Consistent facials and great medical grade skincare products help your skin continue along its path of rejuvenation to keep it as young as it can be.
Hi, my name's Becky and I'm from Omaha, Nebraska, and I've been coming to Ave for 7 years since they opened, and I just make the trip back about every month or so. I'm a loyal customer. I've been getting facials from Ave for 5 years now. I'm a part of their facial club, so I make back every month. It's awesome. There's a white robe treatment with wine. I get to pick special add-ons if I need blackheads extracted or a special mask done. It's great. It's my little pampering each month that I give myself. A lot of people ask me what kind of skin regimen I do, why does my skin glow? It's very nice to receive those compliments, and I really attribute it to the facial club. Getting my facials every month really create that glow. I also use products from Ave. I only use what they recommend, and I really attribute it to product use and my facials from Ave.
Hi, my name is Julie. I'm from Sioux City, and I've been coming to Ave for 7 years now since they've opened their doors. I love to come to Ave after a busy week. The whole world closes down. It's all about me. I get my glass of wine. I feel comfortable from the minute I walk in the door. It's such a fun, relaxing atmosphere. The girls are wonderful, but yet they're so professional. They make me feel at ease. The services are little or no downtime. The facial here is to die for. After I've had a facial, my face feels dewy, it glows, I feel refreshed. I feel like I've had a good 10 hours of sleep, whether I have or haven't, and I just walk out of here feeling beautiful. I mean, your face is just pampered. You are the center of attention for an hour and a half, and it's all about you.
Many women are self-conscious about their facial hair, and they wonder if there's any way to get rid of it permanently. Well, laser hair removal can do just that. We use a in-motion laser hair technique that actually kills the hair at its root. We can perform hair removal on any part of the body, including underarms, legs, bikini lines. We have many male clients that come in and get sick and tired of the hair on their back, and it's virtually pain-free.
I came to Ave for laser hair removal. I got it on my legs about 6 years ago. I had 4 sessions and I haven't had a shave since. It was awesome. So many people wonder if it really works, and it does. It's amazing. A lot of people ask me if it's painful, laser hair removal, and it's not. It's actually pretty comfortable. I mean, compared to waxing, it's a walk in the park. The biggest benefit is getting back all the hours I saved from not having to shave my legs. It's awesome. And not having to buy all the razors and all that fancy stuff. So it's been great.
At Ave, we're very proud to be the #1 provider of Botox in the Siouxland region. When some people think of Botox, they think of a frozen face. But here at Ave, we take very good care not to do that. We give our clients a very natural look with Botox. They can still move their face normally, they're just not pulling it into the deep wrinkles and creases that with time get worse and worse and become crevices. We take special care to numb the skin that's going to receive the Botox treatments. So it's numbed both with a topical numbing anesthetic and a lot of times with ice, so it's virtually pain-free. Botox is a very quick treatment to do. You can come in over your lunch hour and get some Botox and be on your way and still get to lunch. In addition to Botox, we also offer fillers at Ave. People often ask me what the difference between Botox is and filler. They're actually two completely different treatments. While Botox paralyzes the muscles and makes the muscles so they can't make quite as much expression, fillers actually fill in divots in the face and give the face more volume. The natural face, as it ages, loses volume, especially in the cheek areas, under the eyes, and sometimes around the mouth and chin. When we inject fillers here at Ave, we take great care to make the change in your skin and your face very subtle, so it's a nice, natural looking change. You'll just look more rested and a younger you. Our Vanquish treatment uses radio frequency to actually heat up the fat underneath the skin and actually kills the fat cells so that this waistline can shrink smaller. It's meant for people that are close to their ideal weight, are healthy, eat well, and just want to trim up just the center area without going on to liposuction. Like Botox, this treatment is very fast. It takes about 45 minutes and can be done easily over lunch hour. Broadband light treatment, or BBL for short, is one of the best treatments we have to turn back the hands of time. There were a couple of clinical studies done out of Stanford University that showed microscopically that the genes were actually reversed to anti-aging after continuous BBL treatments, approximately 2 per year. We use broadband light to not only turn back the hands of time, but also to treat those pesky age spots, which are dark discolorations people get on their face, hands, and even arms. We also use it to close off the little tiny vessels that can be around the nose and on the cheeks. It blanches them and makes them close off, and that gives a person a nice glowing complexion. A BBL treatment usually lasts about 45 minutes to an hour, and there's no downtime. I really feel like broadband light treatments are one of the best things you can do as an anti-aging treatment for the skin. The studies were all done when patients had at least 2 BBLs a year. For this reason, we created a laser club, which gives our clients a good discount on lasers when they come in regularly, and also gives them additional discount on medical grade skincare products. Many times clients ask me what can be done if they come in and they already have a lot of sun damage to their skin. They're already noticing quite a few wrinkles and a kind of a ruddy, uneven complexion. Laser resurfacing is definitely the answer. We have the latest laser surfacing techniques using CO2 laser and erbium laser. We can change the settings on our laser to either give a very fine laser resurfacing or a very deep resurfacing, depending on the needs of the client. One of the places that laser resurfacing really shines is around the eyes. When you have the little tiny crinkles around the eyes, are very difficult to get rid of. Also, lines around the lips are very difficult to get rid of, and laser resurfacing really gets to the bottom of those heals and really tightens the skin in these areas, minimizing those wrinkles. As a Mayo-trained surgeon, I've been performing surgery on the face for over 20 years. At Ave, we have an in-office surgical suite, and we perform a wide variety of surgical procedures. One of our most popular surgeries is an upper eyelid tuck and a lower eyelid tuck. Sometimes as we age, the skin here gets a little bit saggy and hangs down, and then we can correct it by removing some skin in the upper or removing some skin in the lower, giving a nice smooth appearance around the eyes. I don't know if you've ever been guilty of this, but a lot of people will go to the mirror and will actually take their hand and move the skin back to their ear to get the jowls of the face to look better. and remove that sag there. There's a great new surgery out called the S-lift, where we make a little incision in front of the ear and it goes around to the back of the ear, and we actually can remove some skin there and pull that jowl up to its natural position, getting rid of the sagginess here, and it also pulls the neck a little bit tighter. That is a very good procedure, very little downtime with that. The recovery is very fast and great results. Another problem area for people is sagginess or a little pooch right under the chin, where the profile is kind of lost and the skin sags down there. We have a great procedure where we do liposuction under the chin. We remove fat and we also tighten that skin with just 2 tiny incisions, each one about the size of a grain of rice back by the ear. Gets great results, very little downtime, very little bruising, fast recovery, just a great all-around surgery. We perform liposuction on every area of the body, including the belly, the flanks, legs, arms, muffin tops, and saddlebags. The great thing about the new technologies for liposuction is that the downtime is very minimal. It's very minimally invasive. The incisions are very small. People are generally up and around the next day and just take a few days off of work and then are able to go back to work. Many clients ask me what sets us apart here at Ave when it comes to minimally invasive surgeries like liposuction. I have found after doing liposuction for many years that while many offices only use one technology for liposuction, multiple technologies put together offers a distinct advantage to get the best results, remove the most fat, and get the most skin tightening that's available. One of the big advantages of doing surgery in this way is that people don't have to be put under general anesthesia. We use local anesthetics, so it's very comfortable for the patient, but they don't have the grogginess and the after effects of a general anesthesia. There is a difference between medical skincare products and those products that you buy in department stores and at-home parties and in the drugstore. The products that we carry have clinical research behind them. One fact that most people don't know is that just because an ingredient is listed on a label, that doesn't mean it actually gets into the skin. For instance, there was a study done where they took vitamin C products and over 80% of those vitamin C products did not actually get into the skin. With our medical background here at Ave, we've done all the research for you. We have selected the best products that have the best science behind them, that have the best ingredients that will make the skin really rejuvenate and look its youngest.
What's great about Ave is if you have any questions about your skin, if I need some certain service, or can I remove this brown spot, or is this wrinkle okay? If you have any questions, just go to Ave for a free consultation and they can answer any question you have. You'd be surprised how affordable some of the services can be.
I recommend it to all my friends when we go out and have our glass of wine and they want to know, where do you go? What do you do? It is, Ave Spa it's my secret. I love to come here. I'm never worried about anybody knowing anything. It's private, it's confidential. I'm usually so excited that I'm the one that goes out and tells everybody what I've done. You know, people will say, you know, where do you go or what's different? And I'm like, it's Ave Spa and I recommend it to everybody.
I invite you to come and visit us at Ave Medical Laser Spa. We're on historic 4th Street in downtown Sioux City. Our phone is 712-224-3500. Our website is avemedspa.com. We have lots of before and after pictures on our website, and we invite you to come into Ave for a private complimentary consultation. We'd love to answer any questions you might have about our products, services, or procedures, or any other questions that you may have. Thank you for listening to our informational video, and we hope to see you very soon. And remember, what happens at Ave stays at Ave.
The proceeding was a paid promotional announcement for Ave Med Spa.